this, once people see this film, they are just going to go on to they're going to be hungry to know more about it. And I think that's the success of the film.
Zee Studios presents to you on 10th April the most awaited movie Maidan, and I've got here with me Head of Operations Achala Katar of Australia, New Zealand and Fiji. Achala, thank you so much for bringing this phenomenal and inspiring movie to Australia. We've had the screening today. I mean, there were chills on the spine, but more than that, we were echoing and growing as we saw the history unfold. Tell us, what were your thoughts when Zee told you about this movie to bring it to Australia?
First of all, the biggest thing was knowing about this coach, because as an Indian, we haven't heard of him, and which is the sad part. But good thing is these studios took on this story on board and decided to make this India's first soccer biopic, and I can't be more prouder than this. And I'm so happy that people could get to see it before it releases in cinema. So this is the first time we are trying a preview screening, and it has been a fabulous success, because I've just heard good things from people who attended today, and I'm just happy that now the entire world is going to see this story. India, like in the film, it's the win, the India's Asia Cup win, and I hope that we continue like this, like India continues not just in cricket but in soccer. Yes. They become number one as well.
Right. Raheem Saab created history in 1962 for India. Today's 2024. Should Team India will be Team Blue for soccer too? What do you think after this movie?
I think I'm so sure, because what 83 did for cricket, the 83 World Cup in cricket.
Absolutely.
I think this, once people see this film, they are just going to go on to they're going to be hungry to know more about it. And I think that's the success of the film. That if it generates even some interest in people to follow this sport or stand behind our team, I think that will be the biggest success for the film. And yeah, people need to go and watch it in cinemas.
It's indeed a blockbuster team, Bonnie Kapoor production, Ajay Devgan sir doing like a historical performance in there. We've got music by A.R. Rahman and our favorite Priyank movie. What else can you expect? It's 10th April. Tell us a message for the viewers, because we can't wait for 10th April for the movie to release.
Yeah, it's a 10th April release, and that's the day you need to go, because that first day first show thing needs to come back, because if you go in week 1, cinemas love it, we love it as a distributor, and I'm sure Team Maidan will love it too. So please make sure you tell your friends, family, grab everyone, because at Team India you make your own team and go and watch this film in cinemas.
Yeah. So Team Spirit mein, if you're seeing this reel, make sure you do share and do tag Zee Studios, because that's where we're going to spread the love. Because utrenge 11, dikhenge 1, and that's what is going to happen on 10th April. 10th April, Maidan releasing by Zee Studios. See you in cinemas.